Hello everybody and welcome to the new video. This week I am going to be trading like I am on the Wall Street, but with a twist. I am going to be trading like a chimpanzee on Wall Street. That's right, Raven, she was the 22nd most successful trader on the Wall Street, and she actually had her own index named after her, which is pretty cool to be honest. She traded in tech stocks. So let me put up some facts a sec. She was the 22nd most successful money manager in the US of A, and the way she chose her stocks is that she'd have a list of tech companies on the wall and she would throw a dart, and whatever dart landed on that company they would invest in. So like I said, she had an index named after her called the MonkeyDex, and 1999 delivered a 213% gain, outperforming more than 6,000 professional Wall Street brokers. Pretty incredible. What I thought I would do is I would print out a list of the stocks, I would throw a dart at them, and whatever they land on, I will do the same. So Raven would throw a dart at 133 tech companies on the wall or on the board, and whichever it land on they would invest. So I'm going to do the same, but I'll be throwing 10 darts at the wall of tech companies, and whatever they land on I will invest. I am only going to invest £100 of my own money because I'm not an idiot. What's most important about this challenge is not to do with the monetary, it's to do with the percentage gain. So think of it as £100. Imagine if I put 1,000 million, 10 grand.
800 and 700, listen properly, 769,820.
The most important thing is about the gain, percentage gain or loss. Obviously, I do not recommend you do this at home because you'd be crazy to throw darts at a board and then invest by that. But some people would do it, so I'm saying strongly do not do that. Whenever you're investing in stocks or picking, nothing is guaranteed. You know, you might think it's a cert, but then cough cough, corona. So there we go. What I'll be doing is I'll be using an app called eToro. I'm not sponsored or anything like that, it's just an app I've used for investments in the past, and they have a wide range of stocks. So what I'll be doing is I'll be investing on them. So yeah, that's basically it. What I'll do now is I'm going to show you and we're going to pick our stocks. Cool.
A few moments later.
Okay, so what we're doing at the moment is we're printing off the stocks, and then what we'll do is we'll put them on the board over there. So if you pan over there for me.
Pan up.
We'll put them on that wall there, and then what we'll do, we'll throw some darts, and then yeah, we'll see what stocks we have. Here we go, so here's all the stocks on the wall. Okay, right, so here comes the 10 stocks that we're going to invest in, so let's go. Right. Okay, so we got S-Lab. Just under, but we'll go up. I thought one of them was Facebook, but it wasn't. It was, I think that says far-fetched, but I can't read. Was it F? Okay, so first three darts is S-Lab, FTCH, and CREE. So that is, I believe, Silicon Laboratories, Farfetch, and Cree Incorporated. So we're going to do the next three now. If we hit the same stock twice randomly, we'll do it again and then we'll get a fresh stock. So we want 10 separate stocks. So here comes the next three now. Oh, I missed everything. Alright, I'm going to retake this one because this one missed everything. Well, that knocked the pin out. Okay, so we got, I can't actually read dialogue, but I'll write it down and we'll go through it. My eyesight's terrible. Oops. Oops. Missed everything. Right, so we've got Samina Corporation. So that is SANM. First Solar. So that one is SSNC. We've got to get one more. And I got Shopify. This is the only one I know. Okay, so that's the 10. What I'll do now is we'll go back upstairs, I'll read out the current selection that we have, and then yeah, we'll go and start investing. Okay, so on here now we've got all the stocks. So at the moment they've all had the trades been taken. So from today, so from when the market opened, I'm already £1,300 down if I had $100,000. The date is the 15th of December. So we'll come back in a couple of days and we will find out. We'll give you a little update. How's it going? And then yeah, we'll do a review on the week and see if we're a millionaire like Raven the Chimp.
Several days later.
Okay, so it's a week later now, so I thought I'd check the app and see where we are, profit or loss. So moving down here. Oh wow, so we're $6,772 dollars profit. So our worst was Samina Corp. We were down $310. And then our second worst was the SS&C Technologies and Holding. I mean, for 10 grand a piece for each stock, I mean, they're not even that bad of a loss. And then the rest, so what was our best one? So our best stock for the week was First Solar, and that was a profit of $2,158, up 21%. Our second one was Shopify. Shopify was doing really well. I think it was like the highest throughout the whole week. But yeah, really good. To be honest, it started off on a loss. I think it was like the worst. I think the worst was around about -1,000, and then all of a sudden it just broke out, and now it's nuts. It's on the whole portfolio, it's up 6.7%, which is, you know, considering the S&P 500 is an average of 7% year on year over the course. You know, this is all just hypothetical, and also it's only just on a week. Well, the S&P is like 50 plus years or whatever, but you know, that's I'm pretty shocked, to be honest, because I was expecting the loss. I was not expecting profit at all. Yeah, so if you have $100,000 and you invested in these 10 companies as your portfolio, you will have at the moment 6,774, which is, yeah, pretty good in my opinion. I don't know why Spotify is like bulked up. Maybe it's because more people are on lockdown and buying from websites. Maybe solar. Yeah, maybe. I don't know why solar. Is there any news? Can you see any news? No, nothing really. Yeah, not bad for a week. That was trading like Raven the Chimpanzee. So we would have made $6,700 profit, which is great, but it was on a virtual account, so it means nothing to us. But that was a little insight of what Raven would do throwing the darts at the board. It was quite interesting actually, to be honest, because I was not expecting a profit, but there we go. If you want to see anything more like this or any other videos around this topic, drop a like and drop a comment to say if you enjoyed the video or not. I mean, I'm going to let it run and see what it's like over a month, and maybe we can do an update, or maybe if we can do 6 months or whatever. It'd be quite interesting to see this little technique that Raven used to use. I mean, of course now she's gone bust, but it's quite funny to track along, and at least it's virtual money now. I was going to do it with my own money, but I'm glad I've done it virtual. I mean, yeah, okay, you know, I wouldn't have profited $6,000, but there we go. Yeah, so thank you for watching, everybody. Follow the socials, so at the Coin Pursuit, Twitter and Instagram. Subscribe to the channel, and yeah, and hope you have a good Christmas and a new year. So cheers.